Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix screen flickering on your Samsung Galaxy A14. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust the brightness in these settings. So you guys want to adjust your brightness manually. First, we're gonna go over to display. And here in the display, we have the brightness slider. As you guys can see, we can adjust it however we like. Now, I'll keep it like this, even lower due to the recording. But here, make sure that you disable the adaptive brightness. This is very important because as you guys can see, once I enable it, it will automatically change my brightness. And we want to set it up manually, so that's why we need to disable it. Next, what we want to do is we want to download the screen dimming app from the Play Store. Go to search and search for the screen and now dimmer and then OLED Saver. Here we're going to choose the first app made by Ruhex. Now it has 100k plus downloads. As you guys can see, it's only 1.5 megabytes. And now we just click open. So it installs pretty quickly. First, we're going to start off by giving the option to modify the system settings. So this is where our app can control the brightness. Next, we need to give the accessibility. We need to go to installed apps, choose the screen dimmer and enable it. Now click allow right here. And what it does basically, whenever we update the overlay, then when we rotate our device or toggle the keyboard on, then it also has to change the brightness. And last, allow the app to send us notifications. Now, as you guys can see, we can do that. It can work pretty well. Now our screen is dimmed, and the only notification we will ever get from this app is this notification right here to adjust our brightness. So if you don't want the app anymore, just click here. Make sure to change your brightness after, because it higher your brightness. Now it sets it definitely higher than it was before starting to use the app. And as a last resort here, what you guys can do is check for software updates. It is very important to keep up with the latest version, because if you're not keeping up, then you're on the older version, and older versions tend to have a lot more glitches than the newer ones. So go to software update at the bottom, go to download and install, and here, if you guys see this, make sure that you click install now. But if you are on the latest version, then that's good. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.